That expensive peptide you bought? It's probably doing absolutely nothing in your formulation. Let's be honest, in cosmetic R&D, we can't afford to keep guessing. When stability tests fail or promising actives show no results, it's not just frustrating, it's costly. The anti-aging market moves fast, and the gap between ingredient claims and actual performance keeps widening. What if you could formulate with confidence instead? Our advanced anti-aging training gives you the strategic framework top formulators use. You'll master delivery systems that ensure actives actually reach their targets, learn compatibility strategies that prevent degradation, and develop expertise to select ingredients based on mechanisms, not marketing. This isn't theoretical. We tackle real challenges with case studies and provide clear regulatory guidance. Stop the trial and error cycle. Join the professionals who stay ahead in this competitive space by understanding what really works. Formulating effective anti-aging cosmetics starts with targeted ingredient selection. Learn how to choose the right retinoids, peptides, antioxidants, and bio-based actives for maximum results. Discover advanced delivery systems that enhance skin penetration and boost the efficacy of your formulations. Master the art of formulation architecture, selecting the right emulsifiers, rheology modifiers, and stabilizers to ensure product integrity and stability. Address specific skin concerns like fine lines, loss of firmness, uneven tone, and oxidative stress with evidence-based strategies. Learn how to maintain compatibility with skin biology and other actives, and create synergistic ingredient combinations for superior performance. Optimize pH and sensory attributes to deliver products that feel as good as they perform. Understand claim substantiation and navigate the global regulatory landscape with confidence. Stay ahead of the curve with the latest innovations in dermocosmetics, biotech-derived actives, and sustainable ingredients. This online training is designed for cosmetic formulators, regulatory affairs professionals, technical directors, R&D chemists, quality managers, marketing managers, packaging designers, and anyone passionate about advanced cosmetic formulation. You'll cover strategic ingredient selection, advanced peptide and retinoid systems, targeted delivery strategies, emulsion techniques, stability engineering, regulatory strategy, and real-world case studies. Overcome common formulation challenges with practical solutions and learn from real case studies shared by industry experts. Don't miss your chance to gain clarity, confidence, and a competitive edge in anti-aging formulation. Register for the Advanced Anti-Aging Cosmetic Formulation Strategies training today. To register, click the link in the description or visit OnlyTRAININGS.com. And hey, don't forget to check out the newly launched OnlyTRAININGS Academy, offering thousands of training courses across 100+ industry domains. You can visit academy.onlytrainings.com now and start exploring.